Have you ever wondered if the celestial events we witness in our skies carry deeper meanings, particularly the recent eclipse that captivated many of us? Just a short while ago, our world was treated to a celestial ballet, an eclipse. This grand spectacle, observed globally, held us in awe as the moon danced its way between us and the sun. The day turned into night, and for a few fleeting moments, time seemed to stand still. But could there be more to this event than just its astronomical beauty? Throughout history, civilizations have looked to the skies for signs and omens. Eclipses, in particular, have often been interpreted as divine warnings or messages. Many ancient cultures viewed them with a mixture of dread and fascination, believing that they were portents of significant events to come. Even today, in our era of scientific understanding, the profound impact of these celestial events continues to stir our collective consciousness. They make us pause, look up, and wonder, could this eclipse be a sign of something more? A celestial warning, perhaps? In the following scenes, we will delve into the scientific and biblical aspects of eclipses and evaluate their potential significance. Eclipses are spectacular celestial events that have been studied by scientists for centuries. When we talk about an eclipse, we're referring to a fascinating phenomenon that occurs when one celestial body, such as the moon or Earth, moves into the shadow of another celestial body. In the case of a solar eclipse, this happens when the moon passes between the sun and Earth, casting a shadow on our planet. Conversely, a lunar eclipse happens when Earth gets in the way and casts its shadow on the moon. Now, the sun is about 400 times larger than the moon, but it's also about 400 times farther away from Earth. This incredible cosmic coincidence is what allows the moon to perfectly cover the sun during a total solar eclipse, giving us a stunning spectacle. But eclipses are more than just a beautiful show. They've played a crucial role in advancing our understanding of the universe. For instance, it was during the 1919 solar eclipse that Sir Arthur Eddington confirmed Einstein's theory of general relativity. By observing the eclipse, Eddington demonstrated that light from distant stars was indeed bent by the sun's gravity, just as Einstein had predicted. Eclipses have also helped us understand more about the sun itself. During a total solar eclipse, the sun's corona or outer atmosphere can be seen, providing scientists with valuable information about solar temperatures and processes. While science provides a clear explanation of how an eclipse occurs, it doesn't necessarily explain why it occurs when it does. Could there be more to it? In the Bible, celestial events often symbolize important spiritual truths or prophecies. These heavenly occurrences were frequently interpreted as divine messages, signs, or warnings. The sun, moon, and stars were seen as instruments through which God communicated his divine plan. Take, for instance, the Star of Bethlehem, a celestial event that guided the wise men to the birthplace of Jesus. Or consider the darkness that fell upon the land during the crucifixion, a phenomenon some believe to have been a solar eclipse. In the Old Testament, the prophet Joel speaks of a time when the sun will turn into darkness and the moon into blood, an event that many interpret as a lunar eclipse. This prophecy is again echoed in the book of Revelation, where it is associated with the end times and the second coming of Christ. Now, let's bring our attention to the recent eclipse. Some may see this as a mere celestial event, a fascinating play of shadows and light, but others might interpret it as a divine sign, a warning perhaps. Could it be a reminder of our mortality, a call to repentance, or a herald of significant events yet to occur? In the end, the interpretation hinges on individual belief. It's a personal journey of faith, an exploration of the divine mysteries that surround us. Whether you see the eclipse as a mere coincidence or a divine sign, it's undeniable that such events make us pause and reflect on our place in the universe. As we've seen, eclipses can be viewed from various perspectives: scientific, religious, or philosophical. They are celestial phenomena that can inspire awe and wonder, stir curiosity, and provoke introspection. From a scientific viewpoint, they are natural occurrences governed by the laws of physics. Yet their predictability and precision speak volumes about the orderliness of our universe. On the religious front, eclipses have been seen as divine signals, prompting us to reflect on our lives and our place in the world. They remind us of the majesty of creation and the mystery of the cosmos. Philosophically, they can be seen as symbols of change, of the ebb and flow of life, of light and darkness in constant play. So, as we ponder on the recent eclipse, let's take a moment to consider its significance to us on a personal level. What does it stir within us? A sense of wonder, a feeling of connection to the cosmos, or perhaps a nudge to reflect on our life's journey? Remember, the universe is a grand spectacle, and we're all part of its magnificent display. Until next time, keep looking up and keep wondering.